What is up, everybody? Now we are headed to Azusa Canyon, where we're gonna be having a photo shoot with the boy Ale. You guys can find him on Instagram at Ale Images. Really good quality photos. I've already done a shoot with him before, but this is gonna be my second time, and I'm pretty excited. I just came back from the car wash, washed the car, so she's looking real clean. I'm excited, and I can't wait for these pictures to come out. I drift this shit if I was a good drifter, but you know, your boy's booty, so I can't. But now look at this shit. You can tell people be yeet yeet. So I just finished doing the photo shoot with Ale, and can't wait to see the pictures. Look at the location we went to. Honestly, it's pretty nice because of the scenery that's here. And yeah, no, I think car pictures look best when there's like nature and like the sceneries. So both locations that we went to were like full of like nature. I also just received this package from Empower Motorsports. I've been waiting about it for a couple days now, but finally came in. And can you guys guess what this is? I'm gonna get a knife because this is hard to open. But so I finally got this open, and what is it? Oh, you guys already guessed it. If you said carbon fiber, you are correct. And Performance OEM boys. And you know, this is just a carbon fiber, the gas cap. You know, we need carbon fiber everything. That's the thing for this car though. I mean, this thing's full of carbon. But so what's inside this? Obviously an M sticker. No, but this is the actual product itself, and wow, this is what it actually looks like. Ah. So I'm gonna basically put this overlay on top of this gas cap, so every time I'm feeling for gas, we're gonna be carbon boys. So all I gotta do is take out these 3 M tapes, and you know, it's easy as 1, 2, and then you just on there, and you make sure that obviously 3 M tape. And wow, let me put the flash on it, but you guys can see the difference, how it was before and the after. Damn, one step closer to having the whole car carbon. Turned 50 p.m. and right now we're heading to a midnight cruise from Midnight Sokudo, I believe. So right now I'm heading to a special location where we're gonna meet up, and we're just gonna cruise there. We just stopped by for some McDonald's because I'm hungry. We made it here. There's a bunch of JDM cars because this is a JDM meet. But you know, I gotta be the one that stands out, so I brought the Beamer.
Support all bills.
Hopefully, maybe the daily's gonna be a JDM. This is the slip. We're about to head out to the cruise, to the canyons. I'm dead as the only European boy here. Everyone else is JDM, but that's why I need a. You know what? That's it. I'm going for a Type R. But look, she's pretty. She's pretty. This is the route that we're gonna be taking. You can see the first spot, Azusa Canyon. Then we're gonna go to the San Gabriel Canyon, and we're gonna end it off at Canes. Man, am I sad because look what I'm eating. You know, I could have saved my hunger for Canes, but I was hungry, and you know, I had to go for some macas, but I have a lot of room in my stomach, so we're fine. But this is everyone here. I think we're waiting on a couple of other cars. We finally have a Beamer there who just pulled up. It's a 335, so I'm not the only one now. And boy, do these stars look nice at night. I see cops pulling up. We haven't even started this cruise. Don't tell me they're gonna shut it down. Yeah, look. This guy right here is rolling a doobie in front of the cops. And I'm just here chilling.
Oh yeah, Maca.
Man, I know what these people are up to. He's probably saying, yo, what's up? What are you guys doing here?
Drugs.
And they're probably saying like, yeah, you guys better not be busting no cruise type of shit, because we're on your ass. Is what they're probably saying right now. But I'll let you guys know what they say. But man, these guys are bugging. Bzz. We are heading to the canyons right now. We're by Azusa, the first spot that we're all heading to. get a safe drive, and let me know what you guys think of this POV. We got like about, I think, 30 cars. About 30 cars or so, but hopefully it's a fun cruise. Everyone's safe, and you know, hopefully there's no cops up in this canyon, because we're just trying to be safe. Yeah, have a good time though. We have Larry right there. How do you feel, Larry?
Chilling, vibing.
He's vibing. We do have the dash cam as well, and I'm gonna get the footage from the dash cam to show you guys exactly how it looks from the dash cam point of view, because I'm actually like, I want to start including footage from the dash cam, because I don't know if you, yeah, I'll include some, and let me know what you guys think of the POV from the GoPro and the footage from the dash cam, because I think it should look really nice. I think the location where we're about to go is about like 30 minutes away, so it should be a pretty fun cruise up there. Good thing I stocked up on gas too. I was like, yeah, I know, like I waste a lot of gas when I go onto the canyons, because I'm always like, you know, pushing the cars to its limits. So I do end up wasting a lot of gas, but it's worth it because it's so fun. It's really dangerous at night. I prefer going in the day, but you know, this is all the cruise, a part of the plan. So next time, hopefully, I can get a day point of view, so you could see like all the nature and the beautiful scenery. But for sure, midnight cruises are also pretty fun. You know, you're just relaxed, you're just chilling, vibing, and you know, enjoying your car. I guess so. What the hell's going on? I don't know why everybody stopped. A lot of people could have stopped, but it's okay. We're back on track. The canyons. I'm not driving because it was so good. I can just imagine taking it to a track. Downshifts. I mean, I wish I was catless right now, but at the moment I'm not. Just like I can imagine like the sound, the freaking roaring V8 and all this. Like, you know, canyons, it sounds amazing. Damn. Now we made it to the top. We're here. Look at all these cars. Down. STK, STI. Damn, the elevation up here. My ears popped, so I can't hear anything. Larry, how was it?
That was fucking amazing.
Yeah? So here we have a quick tire change.
Oh no, it's not a tire change. The axle's fucked, boy.
Oh damn, he said the axle.
Hey, Junior, show the axle real quick. Oh shit. Show the axle real quick.
Axle?
Look. Gonzo's.
Oh damn. How you gonna get down, bro?
Huh?
How you gonna get?
It's welded, so I can still get home.
Oh, okay. Damn, this is a 335 IS. Look, this is sick. Hey, this is yours, bro?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Hey bro, can you see that?
DCT, huh?
Yeah.
That's sick.
7 DCT.
He has a 335 IS in a layman's blue. He has a carbon hood, but I really like it, to be honest, guys. This is really nice. Hey, I'll trade you. Yeah, look, you guys can see that. Those are the 335 IS wheels. And yeah, it's pretty sick. Second spot.
Yeah.
Oh shit, look at his underglow though. This guy stands out. It's cold up in here. It's really cold that my car actually said that the temperature was like really cold. I was like, damn. And I went outside and it was cold. I was like, damn. It's already 1:23 a.m. too. I'm sleepy. I'm getting sleepy. My eyes are burning, guys. Look. I look. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, I did not smoke, but look. I be looking like I took a fat doobie. I don't smoke though, guys. Say no to drugs and alcohol. I'm just
Remember, hugs, not drugs.
Look, guys, stargazing. You guys can't see the stars. I mean, whoops, stargazing at night. All right, we got some cake. Now I'm happy, and so I'm satisfied now, and I can end the vlog.